Good morning, students. I welcome you for the chemistry class. In the previous video, we have studied about the synthetic fiber, nylon, rayon, properties, and their uses. Today, in this video, we'll study two more synthetic fiber prescribed in your syllabus, that is polyester and acrylic. First, let us study about polyester. Polyester, name itself indicates poly means many and that many polymer has a group that is ester group. Ester, it's a functional group which is present in an organic molecule which you'll study in your higher classes. The group is RCOOR. Right now, you understand polyester, it's a polymer which is having a ester group. So this group you'll study in class 10. It is manufactured from petroleum. It is a category of polymer which contains an ester group in their main chain. PET, PET, you have heard this, PET bottles. So polyethylene terephthalate, it's commonly used polyester. It is made from many monomers which is condensed by means of polymerization. This PET is used in the manufacture of PET bottles like cold drinks and water bottles. Next, Terylene. Terylene, it's also a synthetic polyester fiber which is produced by polymerization of ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid. So what we get is terylene. It's a polymer. You can see a line here. So it's a bond. Okay, when we write, it will be a series of bonding with other units of monomer. So we get a polymer. So this particular unit is known as terylene. So it will be a polymer. Chain of monomers forms polymers. Polycot. It's a mixture of polyester and cotton. Polywool. It's a mixture of polyester and wool. And no need to study this thing structure for this particular year. You'll be studying in your higher classes. Just you have to know the definition part. Next, coming to properties of polyester. It is very strong, durable, resistant to chemicals, and it does not shrink. It is hydrophobic in nature and which dries up very quickly, means it does not absorb water much. It retains its shape, easy to wash, easy to dry. Coming to uses of polyester. It's used to make polyester suits, used to manufacture ropes, which is used for rock climbing, and PET bottles. Example for polyester, we do get polyester mat, polyester rope. Blended fiber. So these are fibers which are obtained by blending natural and synthetic. So we'll be mixing natural fibers and synthetic fibers. So it is blended fibers. So these fibers have mixed properties of both, that is natural and synthetic. So just 2 minutes before I said polycot, polywool. I said polyester which is blended with cotton, you get polycot. Polyester blended with wool, we get polywool. So these are blended fibers. Next we'll study one more synthetic fiber, that is acrylic. Acrylic, it's an artificial wool. Like we do have rayon as an artificial silk which gives us a intimate texture to like silk. Here acrylic will imitate the texture of wool, so it is called artificial wool. So these are synthetic fibers again made from a polymer called polyacrylonitrile. Again it's a polymer where we have acrylonitrile group in the main chain. Coming to properties of acrylic, it is warm, lightweight, soft, flexible, resistant to moths and chemicals, gives wool-like feel. It does not shrink, wrinkle resistant. It is low cost compared to the natural wool. It can be dyed with many colors according to your need. Coming to uses of acrylic. It is often used to make sweaters, blankets, Kashmiri shawls, jackets, tracksuits. So it's also used in the lining of boots, Blouses and fabrics and carpets. It is used in craft yarns, boat sails and vehicle covers. Coming to characteristics of synthetic fibers. So we studied many synthetic fibers, rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic. So we'll compile the characteristics of synthetic fibers now. So they are low in cost. So low cost compared to natural fiber. They are stronger, easily available, very much durable, highly elastic, light in weight, soft, smooth, dries up very quickly. They are hydrophobic in nature and can be easily maintained, washed. They do not shrink. So they are wrinkle resistant and chemically resistant fibers, and it is consumer friendly. It provides a property like waterproof, stain resistant, stretchable and very comfort. So these are the characteristics which make us to opt for synthetic fibers. Now let us study the advantages of using synthetic fibers. It is color resistant, do not bleed color when washed, do not shrink, easily available, easy to maintain, easy to wash, dryable, less expensive, more elastic, resistant to moth, chemicals, stronger, tough, and durable. There are disadvantages of using synthetic fibers. So, what are the disadvantages? It cannot absorb moisture, hence it's not good when to wear during summer season, because we do sweat, we perspire more, so the clothes cannot absorb that, and they catch fire easily, and hence we should not wear the synthetic fibers when we are near fire. And it is difficult to iron as they can melt easily because of heat. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of synthetic fiber. Here is an assignment for you. Rana wants to buy shirts for summer. Should he buy cotton shirt or the shirt which is made from synthetic material? Advise Rana, giving your reasons. Thank you. We'll discuss about plastic, its characteristics, types, and the relation of plastic in the next video. Until then, thank you. Have a nice day.